We're at Hope Gardens. There's a car show going on. And tons of people. Alright, I'm come over here, so. Old school machine them. Because I know some bridge and I go on see them type of vehicle. Like, sweet! We just take a stroll around, people. Not more than that. I have a Porsche over here, so real machine. Now this is nice. And it's for sale. Ooh, look at that. No, that's nice. This is nice. Sorry. Right foot, 2 stops. Left foot, 2 stops. Slide to the left. Let's go to the left. To the left. Hands on your knees. Hands on your knees. Come on. Cha-cha now. Turn it out. Let's have a look at the bikes. The bikes. Yeah. Can you go all low? All the way to the floor? How low can you go? Can you bring it to the top? Like you never stop? Can you bring it to the top? One hop. Right foot now. Left foot now, y'all. Cha-cha, real smooth. And the air won't go through. Doesn't quite surface go blue. And the sea goes high. Yep. This is sick. Oops, sorry. This is like, yo. And this is a BMW. Nice.
Party rock is in the house tonight. This look, oops, sorry. This look like just the BMW lineup, and everybody has some damn customized engines. Like seriously, now look at this. Sick. What are you asking?
The cars or whatever one.
Just
The ones that
people care saying it.
no man, yeah, because these
Oh, like no,
BMW.
those are older model vehicles like Hondas and so forth. Some tuned Hondas and so forth. But most persons you see, the typical person that can afford like the older car with them set up and tune. So that's why I'm gonna go that section first.
Most of the vehicles seem to be BMW.
No man, I'm a Porsche over the but yeah, people in general, BMW Jamaican people like BMW, BMW Benz and them. This looks like a Viper. I'm in love. Like tomorrow, the amount of video I'm going to show up on YouTube and TikTok and stuff, just related to it. Alright, that was my 5 minute walk through this auto show. They do have some nice cars here, some nice BMWs and so forth. So, yeah, definitely.